all my friends in room 149. It's Miss Deb with a very simple and easy and fun water play sensory activity for our rain week. Parents at home, there are many ways that you can do this. I'm going to demonstrate to you with this bin filled full of water. If you have any kind of large container or bin you can fill with water, that's step number one. Number two is you're going to take whatever simple things you have in your house. If you have any plastic cups or paper cups, styrofoam plates, empty bottles, all of these things can be used to make rain. How are we going to do that? All you need is a thumbtack and whatever you want to poke holes into. So for example, here's a plastic cup that I went ahead and poked some holes in. Can you see that? Awesome. And you can just have your child tip the cup into the water, scoop up some water, and when you pick it up, here comes the rain. If they squeeze it, it comes out a little faster. You can practice with the speeds, fast and slow. This one is a vitamin water bottle, which you have to press a little bit harder, but I did poke holes in the bottom. And same thing, you can just submerge the bottle, get it all filled up. This is a good one. Ooh. And that looks different, and it's kind of crisscrossy, makes a different sound. Pretty sweet. Ooh, action shot. They can practice their scooping. You can ask them to. The bubble action is fun. You can listen to the sound. They can move it around. Let's see how it works here with, here's my styrofoam plate. I did some holes on the side and the bottom. Let's see how that works. Might want to use two hands. Comes out a little slower. Sometimes it's fun to experiment, and it's a lot quieter. So you can actually compare the sounds. Sometimes you might have to poke a few more holes in there. You never know. I think it's better with the water bottle. Here's another simple water bottle. This one's thinner plastic. I poked holes in the bottom, and ooh, well that's fun.
Wow.
Ooh, and that kind of goes everywhere too. Also, they can practice squeezing it. Squeezing it makes the water come out a lot faster. They can adjust the speeds. Plastic cup. Let's see. I didn't poke holes in that one yet. Let's try. Just so you can see. Sometimes you have to really put a little more pressure on. This is something you're going to have to do, not your kids, because you don't want them to get poked. If you don't have a thumbtack, you can use like a really sharp knife point, but I tend to like the thumbtacks, although it's real hard to do in this red plastic cup. Well, let's give it a shot. Let's see how the water comes out from there. Oh, not too bad. I only poked a couple holes. And you can experiment. You can do some with 1 or 2 holes, 3 holes, and then compare the speeds. The good thing about this is that this is something that you can do in several different places. If you don't have a safe bin like this, guess what? You can stand over the sink and do it with your child. You can have them do this when they're in the bathtub. So if you don't want to make a mess with a bin somewhere, this is a great way to keep them occupied during bath time. And they can just have a whole lot of fun making it rain. Woohoo! I think the bottles are the winners. You can try it with empty food containers. You can try it with whatever you think you're willing to poke some holes in at home. If you want to go crazy and you have some colanders, those are good to try too. But these are a little smaller for them to hold. So that's pretty much it. I hope you have fun playing with your water and making it rain. And I will sign off in my rainstorm. Bye, room 149. Have fun getting wet and making rain. See you soon. Bye.